Hey, it's JP with Central Idaho Mountain Weather. It's October 26, 2023. We're looking at from Baldy, from Roundhouse, out over Ketchum and Sun Valley. It's looking pretty white this morning. This was a screenshot taken about 30 minutes ago. And yeah, it's not looking like any snow fell here at China Gardens. It is very frozen outside. It's 29 at our house. It looks like it's kind of frosted and looks like those temperatures didn't drop low enough for that last pulse of the cold front coming through overnight. So it does look like Della has snow pretty low down from what I can see in the dark. But yeah, today it looks like we're going to have decreasing clouds. It's actually, the cloud forecast is looking mostly sunny in my mind, but I'm kind of being a little cautious with that. Besides some isolated snow showers in the Sawtooth and White Clouds later this afternoon, and some lingering ones this morning too. Highs are going to be in the 40s. The upper level low is right overhead right now, and that'll push through really quickly through today. Tomorrow's going to be mostly sunny, some lingering clouds, highs in the low 40s. We're going to shift to like a zonal flow. And then looking ahead, we have colder temperatures for Saturday. There's this cool, almost northerly flow coming through for that, bringing just cool air straight down from northern Canada. And then the ridge starts building on Sunday, and next week is looking much warmer with temperatures back in the uh, low to mid 50s. All right. So, yeah, I was looking through the forecast discussion this morning, and uh, the snow was reported at Friedman Airport, which is only a few miles away from my house. It's possible, but I certainly didn't see any snow on the ground here, so I don't know how they got that information. Possibly true. But looking around, Galena Summit, or sorry, Galena Lodge, they almost picked up almost 2 inches, probably more like an inch, a fat inch of wet snow. Looks like it might be currently snowing there. Looks like some snowflakes. The webcam in Ketchum looks like it looks like it rained, and then uh, the morning dew kind of frosted over, which is what my front porch looked like. Really slick conditions out there. Yeah, driving this morning might be fun with slippery roads. And then looking around, Vienna Mine was having a hard time picking up any. A lot of the snowtells were actually having a hard time picking up this early snowfall. I think when it's not really significant amounts, it has a hard time picking it up. Um, we still have Galena Summit. Yeah, Galena Summit had this 4 inch mark just randomly pop through at 2 in the morning. So I'd be kind of interested to hear any field reports and people up north to see how much snow you got and what you're seeing today. Liquid amounts, snow water equivalent. You can see lower Titus is kind of showing bonker numbers of 30, 29 inches, 30 inches yesterday. It's definitely not true. We picked up about two tenths of an inch yesterday, and it kind of looks like a similar story across the mountains yesterday. So not really that much. It's kind of hard to tell. We don't have the best sources in the Sawtooth. I think the Bench Lakes weather station's still down. Hopefully that gets fixed this winter. But kind of scrolling out, it looks like the Boise area got hit. Um, in the Boise Mountains, looks like almost 4 tenths of an inch in places, and then down south 4 tenths. I think I saw some half-inch marks somewhere. Yep, over here near west of Shoshone. And then the Tetons, they always get the snow. It seems like some I didn't see right over the Tetons because this just is for Idaho, but just west of there is about 7/10. So yeah, it was kind of a bust. It seemed like for our storm. All right, keep moving along. Looking at the lower level water vapor map, you can kind of see that the low is right overhead right now. I think why one of the reasons why we didn't get hit so hard is it shifted a little bit further south than the models were saying. So most of that heavy band of precip was south of us, south and then east. So missed out on that one, but might be actually a good opportunity for that snow to melt away in the mountains and not become a significant weak layer for us in the future. Looking at the cloud forecast for today, so this is kind of what I was seeing in the models, a lot clearer than what the forecasters out of Pocatello were seeing, but they might be seeing something I wasn't. We can see these low level clouds sticking around, but it's already clear at my house and might have some stuff coming in, but this is going to be fairly light. I feel like it's going to be a pretty nice day today, besides some low hanging clouds with this moisture coming that had just came through. Tomorrow is looking like it's going to be mostly sunny too till the afternoon, late hours where we might see some clouds develop. There's a upper level trough that's gonna uh, come through, I think, tomorrow night with another associated cold front. That's gonna drop temperatures down on Saturday even more. Looking at the HRRR model, get it back on the HRRR. Yeah, so you can see this band of heavy rain came through yesterday. That was that head of the cold front here. And then all that stuff is kind of shifted to the east of us. Not really seeing too much stuff besides some isolated showers in the Sawtooth Valley, Sawtooth, White Clouds. This is moving from west to east. And then looking like clear until tomorrow afternoon. Same picture for the northern region. I might have some rain and snow showers, but they're looking really light and isolated. So nothing significant out of here. Don't imagine it's going to be more than an inch. All right, just show our temperatures climbing. Looks like the weekend's looking, besides being really cold, it's looking pretty clear here in Haley. And then increasing temperatures as the week goes on. We're going to get back into the 50s, maybe, it looks like. Cross your fingers. And then looking at some models, this has kind of caught my eye. Play through here. So, almost this northerly flow kind of coming through tomorrow. We're going to be zonal here tomorrow. And then Saturday, it's going to be almost like this northerly flow coming through. And that's bringing this really cold air from, up northern Canada, Alaska, coming straight down towards us. And I think that's going to help influence, along with that cold front, those really cold temperatures on Saturday, which are about 10 to 15 degrees below normal of what we usually are. And then that'll rebound, and we'll have this ridge build into place for the rest of next week. It should be really pretty nice weather, back to maybe a little above average temperatures before the next system comes through next weekend. But that's already way far out. We won't even look at that. And the GFS was kind of saying about the same thing, having this northerly flow coming down Saturday and Sunday with those colder temperatures, and then a ridge building in place behind it, bringing that nicer weather. All right. So yeah, if you're seeing, I'd be interested to see some pictures and snow amounts if you see some white stuff on the ground in your neck of the woods. Send it in and have a good day out there.